Lesson 5, Chapter 7. This is your last lesson for this chapter, a little bit shorter than the rest. Good introduction on how to solve equations using variables. One last word to add to your vocab list. Multiplication property of equality. Solving an equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the same number. Hopefully you're seeing the patterns with all the properties for the 4 operations. Get that copied down. Starting on page 562 in your books. 562. This is a, x over 8 equals 9. A fraction is a division problem. Been trying to say that a lot this year. X divided by 8. The opposite of dividing by 8 is multiplying by 8. The way you show that is you're going to put parentheses around both sides of your equations. Let me get rid of that a. And I'm going to put 8 outside the parentheses. If I write it on the left, I write it on the right. There's a 1 under there. Those cross out because 8 divided by 8 is 1. X equals 72. That's it. Your check. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 equals 9. Check. Make the sound effects. It helps. Y over 4 equals 8. I'm dividing by 4. The opposite. Multiplying by 4. Parentheses. Put whatever you're dividing by on the outside of the parentheses, so that's what you're going to multiply by. Cross out. That goes to 1. Y equals 32. Check. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 equals 8. Check. Jump to page 564. Let's do a few of these problems. It's all the same. M divided by 6 equals 10. I'm dividing by 6, which means I have to multiply by 6. My 6's cross out. M equals 60. Because 60 divided by 6 does equal 10. 10 equals 10. Big check. Number 2, k divided by 5 equals 11. Pause the video, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Did you pause? Parentheses around both terms. 5 on the outside because that is what you're multiplying by. Cross out your 5's. K equals 55. Your check. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. Because 11 equals 11. Check. Number 3, be the same thing. You're going to multiply both sides by 13. I don't have to do that one right now. I think the hardest part about this lesson will be the word problems. Take your time, figure out what you're going to be dividing. Figure out what you're going to be dividing by. On number 4, Carrie and Taya are sharing a pack of stickers. Each girl gets 11 stickers. There's 2 girls. There's 11. Do you know the answer already? I would think so. So we're dividing something by 11. Excuse me. And that could equal to 2. Parentheses. 11. 11. Cross out. X equals 22. There are 22 stickers. Different ways you could set that up, but that's the correct answer. Number 6 kind of sums up the whole chapter. When solving an equation, why is it necessary to perform the same operation on each side of the equal signs? This is important. So if you're adding to the left, you got to add to the right. It keeps equations balanced. Keeps equations balanced. This is your last video for chapter 7. Your assignment is this page, which is 567. Show your work, do your check, use notebook paper as needed. Did you see any elephants?